Morning guys, it's Tuesday morning on the 28th. I'm planning to get back into more raw food and things. I have had some time off. Excuse the duckies, they're waking up, they're grumpy. So this morning I'm going to have some overnight oats that I soaked with some chia seeds, and I'm going to have maybe a nectarine with that, and I don't know, some blueberries and things. Maybe with the juice as well, or a cup of tea. And then I'm going to show you a quick, if the ducks will allow me, I'm going to show you a quick rundown of my fridge, because I did a big shop. It came to about 80 quid, and I'm just going to show you what I got and stuff. Some of it's in the house, like raw cacao nibs and gluten-free bread and stuff. Okay, so we've got, focus my friend, focus. We've got a giant pineapple, flat peaches, nectarines, that apple cider vinegar stuff, lemongrass and pineapple juice, other juice, clementines. We've got grapes, strawberries, 2 packs, a pack of blueberries, pears. Next shelf is avocados, they're ripe and ready. The ones at the back are solid. And then we've got peppers, regular pepper, tomatoes, some pepper I had last night, and we've got some sweet peppers. We've got spring onions. Next shelf down, we've got spring greens, amazing for wraps and things, to wrap up all the. And we've got a pack of radishes for salad. We've got a little baby red cabbage, celery, cucumber, carrots, red onion, 2 packs of broccoli, bunches, whatever, courgettes for spiralising mostly, maybe some sauces. The next shelf down we have baby spinach, 2 packs of that, one's a big one. We've got some romaine left over, and we've got some more baby spinach. Also bought one of these bad boys. They just look amazing. It's like eating the universe. So that's that jazz. And then we've got coriander. Coriander soaking in some water, because apparently that keeps it alive for longer. We've got some strawberry and peach juice, coconut water, some egg-free, gluten-free, dairy-free mayonnaise, some whole grain mustard, some whole tahini, and a couple of limes, a couple of lemons, some more nectarines. I've got 2 packs ripening in the house, ready to eat. That's just a bag so I can transfer my stuff to the house, because this is the fridge out of the house. I got some fake cheese. Basically, it's like coconut oil and stuff, and yeah, I don't know, you have to look it up. And then I got some free from pesto, which is dairy-free, wheat-free, gluten-free. So that's my fridge, yo. In the house I've got some bananas ripening, I've got some oranges, I've got gluten-free bread, some cacao nibs, I've got my chia seeds, I've got all my spices and things. Yeah. Oh, in the freezer I didn't show you, I've got some like smoothie mix bags, and I will put some frozen bananas in once they're ripe. So yeah, that's the fridge. Cheers, peeps. Good morning. It's about 7 in the morning. having some juice, clementine juice, and just watch the sunrise. It's turned a beautiful colour now. I think I should show you my skin. That's situation. I mean, last week's video I was saying how I didn't care and all that stuff. I meant that I didn't care for the feeling of guilt that I gave myself and all this stuff. But obviously I do care. I care about my health. I care about all of that. I just don't think I was really willing to accept it at that time. I don't know. I've been eating raw here and there, not fully, and I would like to get back into it. But yeah, the time where I haven't been eating raw, I've noticed my skin has got very sensitive around here, and I'm just breaking out, and it feels like my skin used to feel, the sensations I would have on a daily basis, except they're not as angry at the moment. I say at the moment because I feel a storm, calm before the storm, and it's really pushing me to get back into raw food. Just so many more aspects. The fact that my skin's breaking out and I've been in a bad mood, whether that's because I'm like punishing myself, I don't know, but I've been just really just grumpy and irritable and impatient and stressed out and just, yeah. So I've been having the odd raw meal, but at work I find it's quite hard. I almost don't want to bring my food from home because I feel like I could save money by eating at work, but they don't have much fruit and things, and so might have to invest in buying my lunch and stuff, which is obviously normal, but on this diet it's good to save as much as you can where you can. Excuse the croak, there's like this constant monotone, but I can't talk too much louder, I don't want to wake anyone. So yeah, breakouts, I mean, just painful around here. Painful, and then just like, yeah, painful. And from here, I could say, let's try and work it out. So there is when it starts to get sensitive. There. It's not so bad that it's kind of just sensitive here. There, it's really sensitive. And from there. So there's this whole like thing here where it's just really, just like you've been sunburned or something. It's not like a sore burn feeling, but it's the sensitivity of it. So I need to just stop feeling sorry for myself. I need to start doing things that are good for me. And just not feel so guilty and bad about the fact that this has happened. Just see it as something to learn from and to go by and to remember. Like, don't do this. Oh fuck. I'm still in a bit of turmoil with myself. Fighting what I want and what I desire and what I need and yada yada. Anyway, I'm gonna stop talking. So this is where I'm at right now. I'm back home for a bit in my mum's amazing tiger onesie. So I have to have another nap. I kind of thought I'd wake up early and it'd be lovely. And now I'm like, writing in my journal. It's probably not vegan. Okay. The book is called Inspire Now, and it's amazing. It has daily quotes for success. You have a life, you have a long-term plan goals, you have short-term plan goals, you have daily goals, you have weekly reflections, and you have like bits where you can add your gratitude for the day. You have a place where you can reward yourself for achieving those daily goals. Each day they have a quote, and so this one, the one for this day, the one for today is, home is not a place, it's a feeling, which is quite fitting because I'm at home today, like in my hometown. See, this is filling it in. Don't need to see that, so I'll just show you a blank page. That's basically every day, and there is no set date, so you can start whenever you want. No restrictions. It's really cool. So yeah, today I'm just going to edit this video, do a good 2 or 3 sessions of yoga, and practice for my theory test, and yeah, whatever else I want to do. Okay. It's just being outside in nature, and as much as you can, no matter what the weather is, as long as you don't get ill. And then just sending on my love. Just want to send love and bring everyone a sense of calm, presence. It's all good, baby. It's all tickety-boo. So today maybe say three things that you're grateful for, and really feel them deeply. Don't just say it. Feel the emotion that you get when you get with feeling gratitude. Yeah. Anyway. Have a lovely one.